Hi, I'm the audiobook worm, and today I'm sharing 3 reasons why you absolutely need to check out this amazing audiobook. Dungeon Crawler Carl by Matt Dinniman. Today we're diving headfirst into the wild, absurd, and darkly hilarious world of Dungeon Crawler Carl by Matt Dinniman, the first book in the widely popular Lit RPG series, first published in print via Ace Books in August 2024. The gist? Earth gets transformed into an intergalactic live-action dungeon escape game run by aliens. Carl, a Coast Guard vet wearing only boxers, pink crocs, and a leather jacket, is whisked into the deadly competition where audience approval, fame, and weird loot matter more than brute strength. His only companion, Princess Donut, his ex-girlfriend's cat miraculously granted talking privilege and absurd ambition. Together, they fight bizarre monsters and try not to die spectacularly while building a follower base across the galaxy. Critics and readers call it part Squid Game, part wow, and all-out bizarre brilliance. 3 reasons you'll want to read it. Number 1, a uniquely twisted lit RPG premise where gameplay is life or death. From goblin gangs to lava-spitting llamas, each dungeon level introduces bizarre creatures, epic boss fights, loot boxes, weird achievements, and live-streamed commentary. As one reviewer put it, you can't just survive here, you gotta survive big with clout. If you've ever played an RPG and obsessed over achievements or stats, this book hilariously exaggerates that mindset, melding it with an apocalyptic survival reality show vibe. Number 2, Carl and Donut, mismatched partners with surprising heart. Carl is relatable, pragmatic, and quietly heroic. Donut is absurd, fame-obsessed, and occasionally tsundere, but smart as hell. Their banter is non-stop, and under the humor is genuine emotional ground. Carl wrestling with humanity's extinction, Donut asserting her royal court status. As one reader noted, once the story slowly won me over, it's very often comedic, but underneath all the jokes, situations are very often horrific and sad in an existential way. That balance gives the chaos surprising emotional stakes. Number 3, brutal satire plus non-stop action. The tone swings from holy crap, that's gruesome, to lul, woot. In seconds, the narrative lampoons fandom, fame culture, corporate spectacle, and mid-boss dialogue. It shouldn't work, but it really does. And yes, it's gory, crude, episodic, but hooks you with wildly creative encounters, unexpected alliances, hello middle arc community, and inventive problem solving that always feels earned. Dungeon Crawler Carl tosses into a lethal, streaming alien game show where Earth is a dungeon and survival demands wit, clout, and sometimes moral compromise. It's hysterical, grotesque, heartfelt, and absurdly creative. Those are just 3 reasons to read it, but believe me, there are countless others. The pop culture skewering, unapologetic humor, evolving relationships, and roll your eyes yet cheer strategy. Don't miss out! Get this audiobook today with Audible's free trial. That's unlimited access to a huge collection of audiobooks, podcasts, and Audible originals. Click the link below in the video description to start listening now. Thanks for watching and enjoy listening.